says spring colour is just for the garden? Bring the season inside with bright, instant flowering indoor plants. Start with mini roses. Give them a bright spot with plenty of sunlight and good air circulation. This helps keep bugs and fungal spots away. Water when the topsoil feels dry, but don't let pots sit in water or the roots will rot. And snip off faded flowers to encourage new buds. When they finish flowering, plant them in the garden or into bigger pots with compost, bone meal, and a slow-release fertilizer. Next up, calla lilies, the elegant good luck charm. They're easygoing, adding bold colour with little fuss. Keep the soil moist, not soggy, and place them somewhere bright. Rotate the pots every now and then so their stems grow straight, and feed monthly with the balanced liquid plant food. It keeps roots strong, leaves rich green, and flowers looking their best. Flowering indoor plants need the right food to stay strong and colourful. Liquid or water-soluble fertilisers work fast. Just mix into your regular watering once a month. For an easier option, plant food sticks or slow-release fertilisers release nutrients slowly with each watering, feeding plants for up to 6 months. When repotting, mix in some compost or worm castings for an extra boost. Find all your flowering indoor plants and plant food at a GCA Garden Centre near you. Visit lifeasagarden.co.za to find one in your area.